Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look.
Hello, this is Cody.
Hello, this is Ryder.
Our topic is gene therapy.
We decided to present to you through video.
And in this video, we tried to give you guys a good understanding on gene therapy.
In this video, you'll learn a lot about the risks and cons of gene therapy.
You also get a good idea on how gene therapy works and success stories when trying gene therapy.
Gene therapy is a complex subject. We're giving it our best shot at explaining it in a simpler term, so hopefully you have a better understanding on gene therapy than what you did before you watched this video.
Enjoy.
Dude, I just got diagnosed with a genetic disorder.
Holy ravioli! Is that a condition caused by an abnormality in an individual's DNA?
Exactly.
Goodness, that really stinks. Luckily, I have a solution for you.
What could possibly cure my genetic disorder?
Gene therapy.
Wait, what's that?
Well, it's an experimental technique that uses genes to treat or prevent a disease such as your own.
Really, man? How does gene therapy do that?
Multiple ways. One way is by replacing the mutated gene that is causing your disease with a healthy copy of that gene. Another way is by inactivating that gene that isn't working properly. Or the doctor could introduce a new gene into your body to help fight your disease.
Zooey mama, that sounds complicated.
That it is.
Also sounds a little risky.
Well, there are some risks involved. Most commonly, a gene is delivered to your cell through a virus, since viruses can recognize certain cells and deliver the genetic material to the desired cell.
Wait a second, why would I let a virus into my body?
Relax. The researchers remove the disease-causing genes from whichever type of virus they need and replace them with the working genetic material.
Oh, perfect.
It's not that simple.
Come on, man, what else?
Well, your immune system may see the introduced virus as an intruder and attack them, which very well could cause some inflammation, and the worst case scenario, organ failure.
I think I'll be alright.
That could be the case, but there's always the chance that the virus could target additional cells besides the desired one, which would cause healthy cells to be damaged, which could create a problem of its own.
Such as?
It could cause another disease such as cancer.
Now I thought this was a solution.
Dude, I'm just telling you the risks, man.
Well, I guess there are risks to everything. Is there any other serious risks?
Yeah.
Oh my, what else?
You know how I said the researchers removed disease-causing genes from the virus?
Yeah, and?
There's the chance that once the virus is introduced to the body, the virus may recover their original disease-causing abilities.
Nice. Just what I wanted.
Yeah, and if the new gene is inserted into the wrong spot of your DNA, you could develop a tumor.
Seriously, man. With all these risks, why would anyone want to do gene therapy?
Because of the times gene therapy has worked.
Yeah, right. Like when?
Well, in 2007, a trial was done involving 3 patients to treat Leber's congenital amaurosis, LCA for short, which is basically a rare inherited eye disease which appears at birth or in the first few months of life, which can cause progressive loss of vision. Anyhow, using a fine needle, modified viruses were inserted into the body and no side effects were reported. All patients achieved the same level of vision before the operation, while one patient actually had improved night vision.
If their vision didn't improve for their regular vision, why does it matter?
Well, it shows gene therapy can be done without side effects.
I'm not sold on this gene therapy stuff yet.
Wait till you hear this. I have another successful example of gene therapy.
Well, what are you waiting for? Hit me with it.
Alright, so in 2000, a trial was done involving kids with X-linked severe combined immune deficiency, which only affects boys. These kids have no working immune system due to a faulty gene. Using gene therapy, these boys would have their faulty gene fixed and introduced back into their body.
So what were the results?
7 out of 10 boys treated in 2000 currently have working immune systems, while two of the children unfortunately developed cancer due to the virus that was used to deliver the working gene back into their bodies, activating a cancer-causing gene.
Wouldn't want to risk developing cancer, but I really don't want this genetic disorder. So where can I get gene therapy done?
You're going to need to participate in a clinical trial.
And what might that be, Professor Gene Therapy?
A clinical trial is a study that involves human participation to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of treatments.
Fair enough.
Yeah, and I would recommend going to your doctor to see how you can get involved in one of these clinical trials.
Sweet. But now that I think about it, is gene therapy even ethically and morally right? I mean, the way I see it, this gene therapy thing is obviously can be used for the greater good, but also unfairly and wrongfully.
Yeah, for sure, man. I'm with you, and there's for sure concern with this.
Like, what if gene therapy becomes like genetic engineering to try to produce a better human?
Currently, that is a bit of a worry. If ordinary characteristics such as shortness and average IQ start to be manipulated in order to produce highly intelligent and taller humans, then normal traits might become subnormal.
Seems sort of messed up to me.
Yeah, it is, depending on who you ask.
What if only the rich people can afford gene therapy in order to get more desirable traits?
Then we're sure to have another reason for people to be unhappy with themselves.
It seems like another challenge with gene therapy is going to be creating a fair and ethical guidelines for its use.
Yeah, man. Hopefully all the cons regarding gene therapy can be figured out. That way gene therapy can ultimately make the world a better place.
Thanks for the info, muchacho.
Anytime, my friend, anytime. Thank you for watching our educational film on gene therapy.
As researchers learn more about gene therapy, it'll become a more known and usable treatment option for people with genetic disorders.
All that being said, thank you all again for watching our film.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Everyone, have a good rest of class and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, Mr. Boeh, for assigning us this wonderful project.